Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to do a Mother's Day soft look, so if you're interested, please keep watching and make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Already have on my face, which is why it's glowing a little bit, is the Cetaphil moisturizer. Much moisturizer to my face because it is hot outside, and when it is hot outside, your girl tends to like shine really bad. So what I do is to like try to help control that shine. I'm just gonna go in with a little tiny bit of concealer. No, I'm just going with some concealer and then go in with my bronzer. I got this from Amazon, so this is the NYX, and this is in color medium. So there you go. Ouch. It's empty. And this is this one. I should have got it in a little darker shade, but it does just fine. With my Maybelline Fit Me. This one is in color 057, I think. I don't know. So I just like to put a little bit of concealer right there, a little bit right here, and right here. So these breakouts literally came from when I was going vegetarian. I broke out on my face. I'm not vegetarian anymore, so now I'm just stuck with the scars of going vegetarian. That scar right there came from me scrubbing my face too hard. I don't know what I was thinking. Then I'm going to go in with my puff. It's a little dirty, but we're going to ignore that. Okay. And just dab it around the face. And the little excess, I just put a little on my forehead. The face together. Okay. I hope the light is coming through a little bit. Okay. The powder, I'm going to add the 360 Mocha. Just to control some of the shine. I'm gonna go in over my eyelids and eyebrows because I gotta do my eyebrows, so I don't like that extra shine on my eyebrows, that greasiness when you're trying to draw them. I don't have the luxury, you know what I'm saying, of having full eyebrows. I don't have it. So this is what the face is looking like. With the soft look, you don't really need to go in with a whole lot of makeup because for one, it's too hot, and every time I clutter my face with a whole lot of makeup, I look older. It just ages my face and I don't like it. So I always like to go nice and subtle. I don't have a highlighter bronzer, but this is a highlighter illuminator, LA Color CBPP 258 Shine Bright, like right there. See? It's right there, and then right in the nose, right there. Like I said, I should have gotten this bronzer a little darker, but I was scared to go a little darker, just a little bit. So gonna take this and just go over right there, forehead, and just go on top of it so it doesn't look too shiny. See right there, it looks really, really shiny. Okay, so now that we got that on, irritates me because it's kind of hard to see. So I go right there. That's my starting. And then I go like that. See, I think my line is crooked already. No, I don't want to go in with this color. I want brown, not black. Because my... Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna go back in with this. I'm gonna do this soft line because I'm trying to rush and hurry up. So hold on. I don't be on that type of time. I look. Okay. Maybe it looks even. Alright. So just take a pencil. I outlined it. It's brown. Perdier something. I don't know. It's kind of hard to read. But it's by Silky. And this one is in color 04. Is this cute little soft look. Nothing too... This is the look. There's my eyebrows. Oh, I didn't even do my mascara. Go in with the Great Lash here by Maybelline, and we're just gonna do the lashes. Why am I doing this and I didn't put my contacts in? Oh. I should have got me some hair jewelry. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching.